So can you put in a fake insurance claim but still get it paid because you tell the insurance company it's obvious it's fake, so you still have to pay it? Well, that sounds ridiculous, but that's what a medical company did when they had a claim against Geico Insurance, where Geico looked at their insurance claim and said, this is obviously fake, and we're not going to pay it. But the company said, well, it's so fake and so obvious that you should pay it anyways. Here's a case from an insurance claim for medical expenses that was submitted, and this is by Barry Zalma, one of the best insurance fraud investigators in the country. So there was a company called Quality Diagnostic Healthcare that had an auto injury claim against Geico because they provided treatment to a person who was injured in an automobile accident. And the healthcare provider submitted claims directly to the insurance company, to Geico. And in Florida, the law says that the insurance company doesn't have to pay if you submit a false or misleading statement for claims or charges. If for any reason it's fake, it's not going to be accepted. So Geico said, look, this claim is fake, it's fraudulent billing, and we're not paying it. And the clinic allegedly had provided false insurance claims to Geico. Well, Geico sought to recover the payments they already made. It was about $140,000, and to waive another $80,000 that they were being billed. And Geico said that they were a victim of deceptive billing. The court said, yeah, you're right. The court found that the defendants submitted bills that were falsely inflated, and they were not correct. The bills submitted were false, services rendered that were not rendered. Okay, so the court said, yeah, you're right. These were ineligible. None of the bills are eligible for payment. And the defendant knew this, and so Geico got a judgment for them. But much to the surprise of the court, the defendants admitted the claims were falsely inflated and were upcoded. But the defendants contended that Geico could not show reliance because Geico should have known that the defendants were false, and they should pay him anyways. According to the defendants, billing deficiencies were obvious, and thus Geico was on notice that they were fake and that they should pay him anyways. Obviously, the court did the right thing and rejected these arguments. It actually took a lot of courage for this medical company to submit fake claims and say that because it's obvious, we're not trying to hide anything, that you should pay them. But just goes to show that in the insurance industry, as an insurer, as a broker, as an agent, or even as a client, you have to abide by the rules and not put in fake insurance claims. So if you have interest in the insurance industry and how claims work and some of the craziest claims, you can follow Barry Zalman. He's got always really good claims stories, claims chronicles about the most unusual insurance claims. And this is one of them that Barry always comes up with some good stories from the insurance world.